Hello OriginTrail community. My name is Matt Lucero, CEO of Elco. Elco is a second-generation family-run finishing company focused on producing wood finishing products made with waxes and natural plant-based oils. We have identified three very important challenges for ourselves and for our industry. The first is safety. How can we ensure that our products are really safe and not just marketed as safe? Transparency. How can we give full transparency into how our products are made and where our raw materials come from? And most importantly, trust. How can we form more personal relationships built on integrity that are part of our values? Elco's solution is to commit to forming different kinds of relationships with our employees, raw material suppliers, testing laboratories, and customers. We are working with a reputable international laboratory that is also using blockchain technology to verify tamper-proof results. Our goal is to incorporate all of our own safety testing with this laboratory and make the results accessible to everyone. We have the unique ability to be able to work directly with tung oil farmers to not only ensure a high quality and safe product, but to verify the origin of that product and trace its movement from tree to shelf. Some of our global raw material suppliers have sensitive products that are protected by patents, trade secret, or intellectual property. For these specific cases, Elco will implement OriginTrail's zero-knowledge proof to provide the transparency our customers demand while protecting and collaborating with our partners. It is our hope that by providing transparent information about Elco products, we can build a community of trust, reliability, and safety for our end users. Thank you for your time and for your consideration in supporting Elco.